can't put your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into pairing mode, maybe the light isn't flashing, or they're just not showing up on your phone. Don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, check the battery. Before anything, make sure your buds actually have enough charge. Just open and close the charging case and look at the front LED light. If it's green, you're good to go. Yellow means medium battery, red means low, and if it's flashing red, it's almost dead. If the battery is low, go ahead and charge both the case and earbuds for at least 30 minutes. Now try entering pairing mode properly. Place both earbuds inside the case and keep the lid open. Then, press and hold the button on the back of the case for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the light flashing. That flashing light means your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are now in pairing mode. Go to Settings, then Connections, turn Bluetooth on, and make sure your phone is scanning for nearby devices. Also, keep your buds close to your phone for a stable connection. If nothing works, do a quick reset. Put both earbuds inside the charging case and keep the lid open. Now press and hold the back button again for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes red, green, and blue. That means your buds have been reset and are ready to pair again. If the button doesn't respond, your earbuds might be temporarily frozen. Just place them in the case, close the lid, and wait for about 7 seconds. Then open the lid and try the pairing step again. That's it. After this, your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro should go into pairing mode and connect without any issues. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for your time.